guys! Welcome back to my channel. I know this is a completely different setup than what you're used to seeing, but I figured I would try a completely different video and just all around different anything for my channel. This is my daughter Haley. She has been in videos before. You've probably seen her in my jaw surgery video. And like 5 years ago in my FabFitFun unboxing videos when she was like this big, I have some liquid courage here. So I guess I ought to tell you what the video is. So this video is going to be, which I'm sure you already know because you read the title, but it's going to be, what do you want to tell them, Haley?
Daughter teaches mom TikTok dances.
Hence the liquid courage. Some margarita.
Yeah.
I don't have a fancy margarita glass, so I put it in a wine glass because I'm classy like that. I have a stain on my shirt. It's just, you know, mom life. Got leggings on. Not even, I mean, I did my makeup today. So
I have leggings on too.
Yeah. I did my makeup today. That's about as good as y'all gonna get. But I did use that new Natasha Denona Love palette and love it. But anyway, so what are you gonna be teaching me today?
First, we're gonna start off with the Renegade.
First? I only thought we were doing one dance.
Oh, okay. We're gonna
let's baby steps. Okay. Side note. I don't dance. I'm not a dancer. I was never a gymnast or a cheerleader like this one. I did karate and football and baseball and basketball. Like, I was not like a girly girl. So, I have no rhythm. She knows how to count to steps.
Yeah. Like
the 1, 2, 3, 4,
it's 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah.
Whatever.
From like cheerleaders.
Like that. Okay. The farthest, closest thing I know about dance is watching her in dance class and Dance Moms, which, don't even get me started with Abby.
She gets so offended watching it.
I get so angry, I want to punch her in the face. I'm just saying, if that was my kid, she'd get punched in the face so quick, I'd get jail time. Yep, lock me up. But anyway, let's get started. So she's going to teach me without music. We're going to go through all the moves. It's not going to be pretty, I can assure you. And then at the end of the video, we'll have the actual TikTok video that I posted on my TikTok. I do have a TikTok now. I know, like, who am I?
Yeah.
I am a 35-year-old TikToker now. I haven't really posted anything. This will be like the first video of me in my TikTok. So let's get started.
Okay, so put down the wine.
I have to put. It's margarita.
I mean, yeah, you can't dance with that.
Oh. Mommy can dance with a drink in her hand. Two-step, two-step. You can do it all by yourself. Okay.
Okay, so first,
focus.
The first step is
I got a
a
burp.
whoa.
Oh, excuse me.
Okay, first
Okay,
step
are we in
is
frame? Do we have to go this way? This way. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so
Okay.
first step is the whoa.
The whoa.
So you're gonna bring up your right hand,
Whoa.
and then you're gonna alternate. So you're gonna
Whoa.
yeah. So whoa,
Okay.
and then clap.
Clap.
Now we're gonna do a
Wait, your right hand was on top. Does mine need to be on top?
It doesn't matter. Yeah. So whoa,
Whoa.
clap,
Clap.
figure 8.
Like with my hand?
Yeah.
Figure 8.
Yeah, and then you're gonna, when it's down here, you're gonna twist it like that.
Like
Yeah.
that?
Yeah, and then go around.
Oh, they're on my shoulder.
So
Hold on. Wait, so, hold on.
whoa,
We're going to whoa
whoa,
it,
clap,
clap it,
then figure 8.
then
And
figure
you're gonna
8.
stop with your wrist right here, and then like twist it, and then go like that, like a wave.
Like,
Yeah, yeah, like that.
that didn't look like you.
Like.
So, okay. Ow, you're so violent. Okay. I'm ready.
Okay,
So, wait,
whoa.
I wasn't ready. Okay, whoa.
clap,
Figure 8, do a little wave.
and then you're gonna do this, and then up. So you're gonna go like this, and then up. Like put your like that.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you're gonna go wait.
I feel like I've already forgotten the first one.
Okay, so let's get rid of the ball.
Okay.
Whoa,
Whoa.
clap,
Clap.
figure 8,
Figure 8.
wave.
Wave.
I don't know what this is called, but this.
Weird slappy thing.
Wait.
Wait.
And now we're going to actually get into the Renegade.
That wasn't the Renegade?
No, it was the beginning of it. That real Renegade is like.
Oh, okay. Let's continue. Okay, so stop.
And then you're gonna.
It's like Hammer Time.
That's a Fortnite dance.
No, that is MC Hammer. Y'all.
I don't know. So we're gonna go wait.
Kid's trying to take MC Hammer away. Okay.
Wait.
Stop.
Renegade. So you're gonna bring your left into like a dagger.
A dagger?
It's like, anyway, that's what they call it.
Okay, okay.
It's like a cheer thing. So dagger.
Dagger.
And then you're gonna punch. Like,
Well, I know this. I did karate. Oh.
so yeah, punch.
So stop, dagger, punch.
Yeah.
Then?
Wait, I'm thinking.
Now you don't even know the
Wait,
dance.
no. Wait, oh, and then snap forward.
Hold on. Okay, so stop, dagger, punch, snap.
And now you're gonna go like a little this thing. So you're gonna go.
Wait. Skirt. Go back.
So-
Go back.
You're gonna do 2 daggers. So you're gonna snap and then come
Snap.
up to a dagger.
Dagger.
And then you're gonna go lean to the left.
Lean to the left.
Then move your head to the right. And then move your body to the right. And then like this. Like this. Yeah. No, don't bring it all the way down. Yeah. So.
This hurts.
Shouldn't.
Like my knees are hurting.
It shouldn't. Okay, so let's start from the beginning.
Was that it? That's the whole dance?
No. It's like the first 3 seconds. Okay. So.
Okay. What are we doing? We're
Start
okay.
from the beginning. So.
Okay.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Clap. Figure 8.
Wave.
Hand thing.
Hand thing.
Wait. Dagger.
Wait, I thought that was stop.
No, it's wait. Because then it's like wait. Renegade. Renegade.
Oh, we're doing it to the lyrics. Okay.
Yeah.
Stop.
Wait.
Oh, the punch. I can
Yeah.
punch.
Renegade.
And
Then snap. Then left, head,
Left.
right, then body.
Body. Oh, okay.
And then,
And then
this. Then you're going to put your hands out like this, and you're going to turn to the right. Turn to the right, and then you're going to go woo. Woo. Wah.
wait, where's the wall?
Like woo, and then you go up like this.
And then you wah.
Yeah. Yeah. And then you go
Hold on.
woo. Wah. Then
Am I thrusting my hips too?
Yeah, sort of.
One.
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, so
Or pants are falling down.
she gets more secure
So,
pants.
woo.
Woo.
Wah.
Then candlesticks, one at a time.
Candlesticks?
Yeah.
Okay. Are we doing it 3 times? One?
No, one.
So you woo, you wah.
And dada, dada. And then you're gonna dab, which is kind of cringy. But you're gonna dab.
Oh, I can dab.
No, with one hand. Just
I thought the dab was 2.
Not no more.
Not no more.
Not no more. Okay.
I like the 2 hands.
Okay, so you're gonna dab,
Hold on. So candlestick, dab.
dab. And now you're gonna put
Did
your
I dab the right way?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're gonna put your left hand on your head. And you're gonna do another
So you
punch.
dab and then you go like that?
No, you go like this and you punch again.
No, hold on. I'm still on the dab. You dab
Yeah, dab.
with one hand.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you're gonna take this hand
Here.
and then go shwoo.
Shwoo.
So then after that you go like this.
This is
Yeah, like
this is so stupid.
like
I thought the Macarena was dumb.
Hey Macarena.
Alright. Okay.
Hey Macarena. Hey. That's another TikTok actually. Macarena.
Okay, so we do.
Yeah, you just go like not
Okay.
all around, just like
Ooh,
your
that
head.
margarita's getting me. I got a little lightheaded right there.
Just you move your head like
Okay.
this. Yeah.
Okay.
And then go like that. Take your right hand. Go.
Do I have to make a?
I mean, that's what the sound. Yeah. And then go to the other hand. Okay, now the boom, 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 booms. You're gonna put your hand on your head.
So I go.
Yeah. Yeah. And then you're gonna point your right foot.
All this. Okay.
Yeah, but turn to the side. And then balance your foot on your big toe.
Okay.
And then you're gonna like go like this. Like see how like
So
you're gonna move pivot your foot kind of.
like that.
Yeah. So you're gonna go boom.
So like Shakira, we're Shakiring it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wherever we're under, no matter have to wonder. Oh, then you'll be here, and that's the deal, my dear. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. So we're gonna go boom.
Oh wait.
Boom. And then you're going to take your hands here and go boom, boom. But you're still going to do this.
Boom.
And then you're going to go boom, boom.
Hold on. So hold on. You go
Yeah. Boom, 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 boom.
boom.
And then your left hand on your head. And then your right hand on your hip. Right hand on your, like, facing backwards. Like backwards. Yeah. And then
Wait, so how do we get all the way back here?
you already like that. No, I was just demonstrating. So your foot, your toe, your big toe is still going to be pointed. And then you're just going to go boom, boom. Boom, boom. Yeah, so all together it should be boom, 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 boom,
boom, boom, boom, boom, boom.
Yes!
Oh
yes.
Mama got moves. Mama got moves. Mama got moves. Mama got moves.
Okay.
Okay. Are we gonna wall twerk next?
I don't even know how to do that.
Mom will teach you one day.
Okay. Anyways, moving on. So that's like the whole dance, like all together. Now do you remember?
That's it.
Yeah, after that.
Do I remember it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
So what's the first part? Do you know?
It's the whoa.
Yeah.
Quarantine life.
Fussy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty.
That's not the dance.
Acting, stupid. What's happening?
Okay.
I just had that on the top of my head. Anyways.
Okay.
So we're gonna whoa, clap, figure eight, wave, hand thing.
Oh shit! I done forgot it all.
Oh, geez.
Okay, don't tell me. I'm gonna start. Whoa, clap, figure eight, wave, arm, stop,
then punch, snap forward,
snap,
and then
the
left. Yeah, left.
Oh wait, no, I do a left, and then
Left.
here.
Yeah, and then like that.
Okay, and then like that.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then you're gonna take your hand and go. Woo.
Oh yeah, the whoa. So I turn.
Yeah. Woo.
Whoa.
Wah. And then candlesticks. Da 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 do.
Oh, dab.
Yeah, and then another punch with the hand on your head.
Uh-huh.
And then the whoo thing. Yeah, and then you go. And then the boom booms.
Okay, the boom booms. Hold on.
Yeah.
So you go.
And then point
And
to
then
boom, 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 boom,
boom.
Yeah.
Did I do it?
Yes, you did.
Oh my
Yay! You did it. Okay.
Why is this so hard?
It's actually not. I can learn it in like 2 minutes. I just learned to dance like earlier today.
You're a professional. Okay. Okay, so full thing. Let's go.
Okay, ready, go.
I'm not ready. Hold on. Okay, now I'm ready. Okay.
So,
Okay.
whoa.
Whoa. Wait. This is really hard. Okay. Okay.
Ready? Whoa. Clap.
Figure
Eight. Wave. Hand thing. Wait.
Stop.
Snap.
Aw,
I can put on the sound.
Okay, let's try with sound. Maybe I'll get it then. This is hard. This is not as easy as it looks, folks. At least not for me.
Okay.
Okay.
This is the sound.
Okay, are we going? Wait,
No,
you're going.
no, I didn't start. It's just the sound.
Okay, tell me when. Tell me see now. Okay. Are we going?
This is in the middle of the dance. This is a boom boom. So now start.
Okay.
Oh my god, I love it! Wait, renegade. Do the thing! Okay, now woo! 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 Ha! 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 Boom, boom, boom. And then we'll just keep going. This is so fast! No, it's not! Mom, remember the one renegade I made and it was so fast? And I was like...
Okay. Alright, let's try with restart it.
Do you want me to like actually start it and do it like really slow?
Yeah, really slow.
I feel like this is slow enough. So.
Okay. Hey,
Okay.
I don't like the
So it's gonna go
whoa,
clap, figure
eight.
Oh, wait, my feedback.
Yeah, no music. Turn the music off. I need to get the muscle memory down. It's really hot in here with these lights.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
if you don't stop the fan, you could have a fan.
Well, I have a beautiful chandelier instead because priorities. Okay. Whoa, clap, figure eight, wave, hand thing, wait, punch, snap,
left, right, on. And then to the other side, woo,
woo,
wah, da
da da,
do,
do,
shoo. Then boom, boom.
Wait, oh,
Hands on your head, right foot out with your big toe point.
boom,
Boom,
boom, boom, boom, boom.
yeah.
Okay, all
That's
right,
all.
guys. I got the dance down. We're gonna practice some more, and here is the finished product. I hope you enjoy it. Whee! Oh, that way. Okay.
Wait. Wait.
It only took me an hour, but I finally got it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you hit the like button for more videos like this. I love you, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.